Academic Search Complete is a great starting point for academic research since it covers a range of subjects. To start searching, you'll need to describe your topic in the search boxes. You could break your topic idea into a few search terms or phrases and put those terms in the search boxes. If the search boxes are joined by "and," that means that the database will find results that include all of those search terms. You could also include synonyms for your terms and join those terms together with "or." This will expand your number of possible search results. You can apply filters to your search results by clicking All Filters at the top of the page. Here you can limit your results to peer-reviewed sources, a specific time period, or source type like academic journals. You can read a source's abstract or summary by clicking Show More. To see the full text of an article, click the Access Options, Online Text, or PDF Full Text button. This will link you to the full text. You may also see a button that says Get It at Atkins. This will take you to the article in a different database or send you to a page where you can request the article from another library through interlibrary loan. For more help using Academic Search Complete, please contact the library. You can also contact us using the chat icon on the lower right side of the page in Academic Search Complete.